Hi, Larry here at Chesapeake RV Solutions. Today we're talking to Dale, our parts manager, and he just got back from a
trade show.
And where was it at?
Colorado.
Oh, that must have been beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, he always comes back and he's got these new parts and new gadgets. And one thing he noticed this time, they have new surge protectors. And Dale, why don't you tell me a little bit about these, and just to show you a little close up there.
You have your traditional surge protector, which is the
Like
long
I
one.
have.
Yeah. But the problem is when it blows, when it saves your camper, you have to buy the whole thing.
Actually, let's back up a little bit there.
Yeah.
Well, we always suggest here at Chesapeake RV Solutions that you get a surge protector, just like you would put on your computer or your TV at home. You want to protect those things because a surge protector is a whole lot cheaper than all the things that you can mess up your inverter.
All the control boards on all your appliances.
Yeah, so it really is a good idea to have a surge protector. And I actually have one of these, and it's big and bulky, and it hangs outside the power pedestal, and it's not really weather protected. So when Dale was at that trade show, he noticed these.
Yeah, they got these new, they're made by Park Power, but they're a lot smaller. And this is the surge protector itself. This you use to check the pedestal, then you pull it out.
Is that a receptacle tester then?
Yep, so you check the receptacle on the pedestal just to make sure everything's good. Take it out, put it in your camper so you don't lose it.
Right.
Then plug in your surge protector and just plug your camper right directly into that. Also, it's good because it's not showing everybody that you got something out there.
It's also protected from the weather.
Yep, it's covered from the weather, and it's a lot less likely to get stolen. Also, the good thing is, if you do actually get spiked and it does blow, you don't have to buy the whole kit. You just have to buy the surge protector part of it, and that's so you save a lot of money right there. You don't have to buy the whole thing, and so.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's why when I saw it, I couldn't believe it.
And it's cheaper that way, don't
Oh
you?
yeah, it's a lot cheaper, and even the whole kit is a little bit cheaper than this one too.
Right.
Yeah.
The big thing with this one, it's hanging down, it's on the ground and all that, so
Yeah.
it really makes sense to get this little kit. And like you said, if you blow your surge protector, you always have the receptacle tester, which is nice.
Yeah, we carry them in 30 and 50 amps, so got them both covered.
Well, that's cool, Dale. And remember, here at Chesapeake RV Solutions, we're here to help you create the memories you'll talk about forever. And we don't want your trailer getting nuked because you didn't have a surge protector. So y'all have a good day, and thank you very much.